Welcome back to Mridanga 101. In today's video, I'll be teaching and explaining some 3-beat finishings. So 3-beat finishings, similar to 2-beat finishings, can be played during the Pallavi, Anupallavi or Charanam, usually in the same places. You can alternate them for 2-beat finishings. So, for example, during the first line of the Anupallavi, where the singer sings the line, the first half of the line, and then leaves the second half like hanging, singing ah. So you could play tattin din din tattin din din tattin din din tattin tattin din din tattin down tattin down tattin down tattin down. So a 3-beat finishing, like I just said, would be tattin down tattin down tattin down tattin down. So tattin down is again so takat tam is a total of 3 extras. Because 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 extras is 3 beats. So 4 tams would be 3 beats. So you could also do which is for the lambudom. You could also do kiradaga takadimi or takadiku. So or and you could also do taka instead of tam, like 2-beat finishings. There are also some other 3-beat finishings. So tonkidadaka is tom and nam, ki ta ki, and repeated 4 times. So you could also do dangu dingu dangu dingu dangu dingu dangu dingu dang. And dangu dingu is nam ki and tone with the nam and then. So that one's a little more advanced. Another advanced one is tadinkiran 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 dang. Tadinkiradam is derived from the Tat Dinkiradam, that lesson that I taught in my fast patterns video for Adi Dalam. And so those are a few of the 3-beat finishings that you can play.